Hi, I'm Emily Hall. I'm a real estate agent in Northern Utah and an avid real estate investor. And I wanted to talk about mortgage points. So, right now, there is a lot of pent up buyer demand. I talk to a lot of buyers that want to buy a home or an investment property, and they're worried. They think prices haven't come down enough. They think interest rates are too high. Well, I think I believe in being a problem solver, and if there's a will, there's a way. And if you feel like this is the time to buy, it fits your life, or you want to get started in investing with a rental property, because property values go up over time, it is better to buy real estate and wait than wait to buy real estate. That's one of my mottos. Then we try to find a solution. And one of the solutions that can help buyers get into properties these days is using mortgage points. So say the current interest rate is 6.5% for a certain buyer. Now there's so many variables. It depends on your credit status, your credit profile, your debts, your debt to income ratio. But let's just say, for example, there's a base rate of 6.5% for you. Now, you don't have to necessarily be stuck with that, because you can buy that interest rate down, and that will, as a result, lower your mortgage payment. Maybe the payment on a property would be $2,000 a month, but if you can lower the interest rate a quarter point, maybe you can get it down to $1,900 a month. It all depends on the purchase price and all those factors. I can get you talking to some good mortgage people that can run those numbers for you. But I want you to understand that points are a tool, and they are a tool that can help buyers close on properties these days. Now, who pays for these points? Well, there's different ways you can do it. You can pay out of pocket. You can have the seller pay out of pocket, which is actually happening a lot these days. A lot of the properties selling here in my local area around Layton, we're seeing points being paid by the seller, thousands of dollars that the seller is willing to offer in concessions because they want to get their home sold. And maybe buyers can't afford it unless they can get that monthly payment reduced through points. Also, many home builders are very eager to help you with concessions, paying down your interest rate, or maybe they have a special program. If you use a lender that they work with, they'll even have some extra ways to reduce your monthly payment. And sometimes, not sometimes, but lenders as well, they will let you choose the interest rate, and you can either take the base rate and not pay extra, or you can even take a higher interest rate and get some money cash back. So there's different people that can pay, and there are strategies depending on your needs, the seller's needs, and the property, and also considering things like the appraised value, that we can work with a strategy to try to negotiate how to help you get either lowering your interest rate or reducing your cash out of pocket, whatever is the best for your situation. So I am here to help you with that. Feel free to reach out. You can comment, you can direct message me, email emily@hallhomeinvestors.com, and I would love to help you with that. Okay, bye.